And look, one thing that we are looking at here, I'm seeing this hidden cover here.
Yes.
What have we got there? What's this? What's underneath here?
So that, Dave's an Aussie UnderCover.
Yep.
I've started selling them a couple of years ago, and they were the first product I'd come across that actually gives you a proper hidden lid.
Yep.
Which is what I was looking for clients.
Yep.
Rather than have an aluminium effective scaff plank running through the middle of your job.
It looks absolutely seamless, doesn't it? You wouldn't even know that there's a cover underneath there. So tell us a little bit more how it functions as well.
So basically they're done so that you can put a finger underneath that little handle down there. It lifts up, and then underneath is a roller, which is very similar to your standard pool roller.
Yep.
And the only difference is this one's got a motor on the end of it. And that motor allows you with a remote to be able to pretty much lift that lid, push a button, and it rolls the blanket back in one go.